Imagine an AI so advanced it can see, hear, speak, and understand emotions, almost like a human. Meet GPT-4o, OpenAI's latest creation that's turning heads and raising eyebrows. Is this the dawn of a new era or a step too far? Welcome to Know Your AI, where we unravel the mysteries of artificial intelligence and its impact on our world. GPT-4o, with the O standing for Omni, is OpenAI's newest flagship model. Unlike its predecessors, GPT-4o is natively multimodal, meaning it can process and generate text, audio, and images seamlessly. Some standout features include real-time audio processing with emotional nuance, advanced image recognition and generation capabilities, enhanced memory for context-aware interactions, and multilingual proficiency across numerous languages. GPT-4o operates using a unified neural network that processes different data types simultaneously. This integration allows for more coherent and context-rich responses. Compared to GPT-4, GPT-4o offers faster response times, improved accuracy, and a more natural conversational flow. In healthcare, GPT-4o can assist in diagnosing conditions by analyzing patient data, providing support in telemedicine, and aiding in medical research. Educators can, really leverage GPT-4o for personalized tutoring, language translation, and even creating interactive learning materials. Businesses are integrating GPT-4o into customer service platforms for real-time support, automating those routine tasks, and, enhancing user engagement in meaningful ways. With GPT-4o's capabilities, there's a growing concern about job displacement, especially in roles that involve routine tasks. Conversely, GPT-4o is creating new opportunities in AI oversight, prompt engineering, and data analysis. It's fascinating how these roles are emerging to complement the technology, don't you think? Experts suggest that while some jobs may be automated, the technology will also augment human roles, leading to a shift rather than a loss in employment. It's more about adapting to these changes and finding new ways to collaborate with AI. Ensuring GPT-4o operates without bias is crucial. Developers are working on algorithms to detect and mitigate unintended biases. It's an ongoing effort, but it's so important to get it right for the sake of fairness and inclusivity. With access to vast amounts of data, GPT-4o raises questions about user privacy and data security. Governments and organizations are exploring regulations to ensure responsible AI deployment. GPT-4o is not just about automation, it's about collaboration. By handling mundane tasks, it allows humans to focus on creativity and complex problem-solving. In education, GPT-4o can serve as a tool for both teachers and students, offering personalized learning experiences. In healthcare, it can assist professionals by providing quick access to medical information and patient data analysis. While GPT-4o is a significant advancement, it's not the end of human relevance. AI lacks consciousness and emotional intelligence inherent to humans. Empathy, ethics, and creativity are areas where humans continue to excel, and AI serves as a tool to enhance these qualities, not replace them. GPT-4o represents a leap forward in AI technology, offering numerous benefits across various sectors. However, it's essential to approach its integration thoughtfully, considering ethical implications and the human element. What are your thoughts on GPT-4o? Do you see it as a helpful tool, or maybe a potential threat? Share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the world of AI. Until next time, stay curious.